Coucou les amis, c'est Welva, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today we are going to see les articles partitifs. Partitive articles. Du, de la, de, des. Are you ready? Let's get started. So, in English, you can say, I want some money. I want money. But in French, you can't say je veux argent. You will have to introduce an article before the noun argent. Is that okay? And that article can be the partitive article. So it is used to express unknown quantities of something. Quantities that are not exact, unspecific. How are they formed? Number 1, du plus masculine singular noun. So du is used for masculine singular noun. Example, je prends du beurre. I take some butter or I take butter. The beurre is masculine and it is what? Singular. The second one, de la is used for feminine singular nouns. Example, tu manges de la viande. You eat some meat. Or you eat meat. Next one, des is used for plural nouns, irrespective of their gender. Vous achetez des cahiers. You buy some books. You buy books. De l is used for nouns that start with a vowel or a silent H. For example, elle boit de l'eau. She drinks some water. She drinks water. You can also use these articles with abstract nouns. Example, courage, zèle, patience. Il a du courage, ce monsieur. This man, he has what? He has courage. If you want to translate it like direct translation from the English to the French, is going to be, he has courage. Il a courage. But it doesn't make sense in French. So you have to introduce this article for it to make some sense. So the points to note. The first one, in the negative form, the partitive articles are changed to de and de apostrophe. Example, tu manges de la viande. You eat some meat. In the negative form, it will be, tu ne manges pas. Can you try? Can you try it? The negative form. I said the negative form, the partitive articles are changed to de or de. So can you try this one? Il ne mange pas. Will I say de la viande or de viande? Yeah, il ne mange pas de viande. So that is the negative form. De la viande becomes what? De viande. Second one, il boit de l'eau. So the negative form will be what? Il ne boit pas d'eau. Next one, il a de la chance. The negative form will be, il n'a pas de chance. So, words that express quantities such as beaucoup, un verre, are used together with de or de. Exemple, un verre de lait, un peu de riz, une bouteille d'eau, beaucoup de pain. So take a look at these sentences. Je prends du vin. I take some wine. Je ne prends pas de vin. So the du becomes what? De. Je ne prends pas de vin. Why? Because that's the negative form. It is a negative sentence. Je ne prends pas de vin. The next one. Je prends un verre de vin. So comparing the first sentence and the third, what can you see? So in the first, we say, je prends du vin. The quantity there is not specific. That is why you use the partitive article. But in the third one, je prends un verre de vin. So you are specifying the quantity of wine you are taking. I am taking what? 1 glass of wine. That is why the du becomes what? De. Je prends du vin. Je prends un verre de vin. J'ai des pains, mais tu vas dire quoi? J'ai beaucoup de pain. So that is it. So articles used with the verb to be do not change in the negative form. So if you say, c'est du lait de vache, it is cow milk. That's the affirmative form. In the negative form, it will be, ce n'est pas du lait de vache. So since the verb used here is être, the verb to be, the negative form does not change. So the article will not change in the negative form. You will still retain the normal form du. C'est du lait de vache. Ce n'est pas du lait de vache. So it remains the same with the verb to be. So let's take some exercise so that we'll practice. Let's practice this exercise. Number 1. You have to complete with the participative articles that we have just learned. So number 1, Ali mange dash 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 banane. So number 1, what's the answer of number 1? So you have to identify if the noun is what? Singular or plural. So the banana here is what? Is plural. So the sentence is what? It is not a negative sentence. It is affirmative. So it will be Ali mange. What's the partitive article for plural nouns? Yes, Ali mange des bananes. Number 2, je voudrais 1 kilo dash farine. Yeah, the quantity is specified. So what are you going to use there? Yes, you are going to use de. Since the quantity is specified, the quantity is 1 kilo, 1 kilo. Je voudrais 1 kilo de farine. The third one. Brenda a beaucoup dash sœurs. Yes, elle a beaucoup. The beaucoup is specifying the number. She has many. Elle a beaucoup de sœurs. You are going to use de. The fourth one. Ce n'est pas dash magie. Ce n'est pas de la magie. So if you want to know how to identify the feminine words, masculine words, you can check my video on indefinite and definite articles. I explained it in that video. And the last one, tu ne bois dash eau. That's a negative sentence. So what's the appropriate article to use? Mm-hmm. Tu ne bois pas. Since the O is starting with a vowel, we are going to use the apostrophe. Tu ne bois pas d'eau. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you. Bye bye.